Mosaic Bird 3782. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Eagles up top. Texans at the bottom. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Josh up top. Scott Burns at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Eagles didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Mosaic, early bird. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Mosaic Bird, good luck, good luck. You can guys take your squads. Bowman Chrome has just 4 left. Take your squads in Bowman Chrome Hobby on the site. There's 4 left in that break. Good luck, good luck. Will Levis first ink, Drew Sanders to 199 for the Broncos. And Andy Holman. There you go, Andy. Drew Sanders. We got Derrick Henry on the Mosaic. Trayvon Diggs. Get well soon. Carbon copy, Sauce and Ramsey and DJ Moore. Again, we got Jets, Chad Fenn, Dolphins, Bodner. That does go to the left per the random earlier. We'll go to the Jets. I scratched that filler, Joe. You would pay on the site using Jumbucks for future reference. Bijan, Russell Wilson, that code, it was Go Bucks, exclamation Mario, but that was for the first 12 people. I'm pretty sure that code is null and void at this point, but you might get lucky. 25 out of 49 on the Russ. Paul Krause on the silver from Minnesota. Got DK Metcalf, straight fire blue. 69 out of 99, nice Justin Herbert. For the Chargers and Chad Fenn. There you go, Chad. Nice Herbie. Straight fire blue. Yeah, it was for the first 12 there, Mario. Anton Harrison. Mosaic rookie. For the Jags. Anton Harrison. Trey Tucker. Red rookie for the Raiders. There you go, Oakland or Vegas. I said Oakland. I meant Vegas. Marcus Jones and Swagger. And Jonathan Taylor on the silver. Marvin Mims on the debut. We got DJ Turner on the rook. Jalen Waddle on the orange to 199. Levis silver debut. And Dalvin Cook. Nice Levis for Tennessee on the silver. Waddle to 199 for Miami. That is 66 out of 199 and Marvin Mims. Jalen Hyatt for the Giants. Javonte Williams, John Randall, Mosaic, Quentin Johnston, and a CD Lamb, Moments in Time. Mosaic. 5 packs left. Good luck, good luck. Again, take your squads on the side, guys. Just 4 left in Bowman Chrome. 4 left. Red, Tyreek Hill. Silver, Miles Murphy on the rookie for the Bengals. And the silver rookies are hard to hit, man. LeGarrette Blount and Men of Mastery silver, Patrick Mahomes. Nice patty for the Chiefs. CJ Stroud debut rook for the Texans. Jerome Bettis on the Mosaic. Trey Tucker rookie blue. 34 out of 99 for the Raiders. 34 out of 99. You got Russell Wilson and Nick Bosa. Devin for the Dolphins. Jahan Dotson, John Lynch on the red, Sauce Gardner on the silver, and Matt Stafford audible. Everybody needs a little sauce. John Lynch, that's a cool color match. And Devin. 2 packs left. Good luck, good luck. Josh Downs on the rookie for the Colts. Jake Haener, Mosaic. Burrow, color match. And Tyreek Hill on the splash. Mosaic. And carbon copy, that's Seahawks and Eagles. Goes to the left. We go to Ryan Pergola. Joe Burrow, nasty color match to 199 for the Bengals. 173 out of 199 going to Bodner. Jake Haener, Mosaic, rook. Saints, and Josh Downs on the base rookie. Last pack, good luck. You guys, 4 left in Bowman Chrome, 9 teams left in the Mosaic FOTLPYT. Jackson Smith and Jigba debut. Ozzie Newsome, Max Crosby, Trevor, Randy Moss. And quick recap. We got Haener, Burrow, Tucker, Mahomes, Murphy, Waddle, Levis, Silver, Trey Tucker, Harrison, Herbie, Wilson, and Drew Sanders. They shorted me an auto there. Shorted us some ink. And guys, that's the break. Thanks for the fill. Let me go back through these base cards, make sure nothing's stuck to anything. Pretty sure they sorted us an auto there. Make sure I didn't miss nothing. Some of them are kind of sticky, but make sure. Double checking, guys. Make sure I didn't miss nothing. Make sure nothing's stuck to the back of nothing. Nope, they just shorted us. Shorted us an auto. And guys, that's the break. Thanks for the fill.